Tube. I double checked the idle air control valve. It was barely sticking, not really that bad, so I sprayed some choke cleaner in there. Definitely not sticking now, and my car is warm enough. It should idle at about 1250 RPM, and if it doesn't, that means something with the computer is just not liking me right now. Okay, I have no idea why it's doing this. It's too far open, and it shouldn't be open, and God damn it. You know, it might be my PCM or my ECU, and they're kind of a pain to change, but based on the fact that I can mechanically change it, it's either sticking worse than I think, or I don't even know. I'm just at a complete loss right now. This car just baffles me. I mean, it's gonna drop a little bit when the engine warms, but let's see what it drops down to. Yeah, I really don't know YouTube, but I can almost guarantee if I disconnect it and spin the damn thing myself, I can close it just a little bit more. The only thing I can think is that it's sticking such a small amount, but the torque that the servo puts on the piston is so small that it just can't close it that last little bit. Anyways, I'm going to give up for today. Maybe I'll dig with it again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay happy, keep your cars running better than I am, and keep prepping.